Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss one very important topic, and that is how to apply to a German university. Now we'll discuss this topic with 6 different steps, so you will understand more properly that how to apply and what you need for this application. Okay, so we'll start. Now first step will be planning and research. So first you identify your desired program, then explore different universities and programs that aligns with your interest and career goals. Okay. Now suppose your previous education, it does not align fully with the German standards. So you may need to do a preparatory course. It is called as Studienkolleg. So this is an online course, so you can do it and then you can apply for this university, right? Now the second one is language proficiency. Now depending on the program, study program and the medium of program, you will have to prove your language skills. Now suppose your medium of study of that program, particular program is German, then you will have to learn German through online courses, by watching YouTube videos. On my channel also there are a lot of videos from basics. So you can go and watch and learn through them, right? Now the third one will be you have to gather required documents. Now in this documents category, you will need to show or submit certificates, different certificates of your previous educational institutions. Okay. Now the next one will be you will have to show financial resources. Now demonstrate in such a way that you have sufficient funds for your living expenses and your tuition fees. Right? Clear? Now suppose depending on the program, particular program and university, you may need to submit a letter of recommendation, okay, a portfolio or other documents. Now here in this case, you will need to show health insurance also. So that certificate should be there in the document list. Right? Now the fourth step will be application process. Now you can apply online to a certain German university. Nowadays there are a lot of German universities. You can apply online, right? Now suppose if you are applying for bachelor's degree, then you may need to apply through UniAssist. Use UniAssist. UniAssist is a central application for international students. Okay, so you can apply to certain university and then keep a track of that your admission status and any update from the university. Okay, yeah, right. Now the fifth one is visa application. So certainly you will need a German visa, okay, for to go there. Then now once you get or receive that particular letter, admission letter, it is also known as acceptance letter, letter of acceptance. Once you receive this, you can apply for student visa. Okay, so that for that also you will need some documents like this document, acceptance letter or admission letter, then health insurance. Okay, again the funding resources you will need to show them, and your of course your certificates from previous institutions, that is also you keep it ready for all this. Then you apply for student visa, then you will have to undergo interview for this visa. So on my channel there is a separate video called what are the most common questions asked in student visa for Germany. So you can go and watch that, so you will get to know what are the typical questions asked there. right? So this is all about visa. Okay, now the next one will be enrollment and registration. This is the last step. So once you receive a student visa, okay, then and come to Germany, then you have to enroll yourself at the university. So this is different from the admission process. Okay, admission letter is different and enrollment is different. So you have to enroll there and get a registration certificate. Now this certificates, this acts as a provisional student ID, okay, through which you can apply for residence permit and register your classes, right? So, okay, so once you have enrolled and registered, then you are good to go for your classes. You can attend your classes and enjoy your stay in Germany. So this is all about the whole process of applying to a German university. I hope this is clear with you. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.